Okay, good afternoon everybody. Today I am taking a class in MS-DOS. Okay, MS-DOS. Okay, my name is Juzan. I am a computer teacher of Microsoft Computer Center, Tumkur. Actually, MS stands for Microsoft. DOS stands for Disk Operating System. Disk Operating System. See, DOS is a operating system. Operating system. Actually, what is operating system? See, operating system is the interface between user and computer. Without operating system, we cannot work with the computer. We cannot work with the computer. Operating system is the basic software for working with the computer. Okay, we have different types of operating system. What are they? Single user and multi-user. In single user, you have DOS. Okay, that is called disk operating system. In multi-user, we have what? That is Windows. Okay, all Windows operating system are multi-user. Okay, now I will teach you some commands. What are and one more difference is a single DOS is called as CUI. That is called Character User Interface. Windows is called GUI. Okay, those are the difference between single user and multi-user. Okay, now I will teach what are the commands which are available in DOS. If you want to go to DOS, what you do? You type one command called CMD. Okay. Now here what I will do? Now if you want to check the version of DOS, you have a command called VER. Okay. Now showing the version. What is the version? If you want to check the volume of DOS, you say VOL. Okay. Now this is called using a single line command. You can check each and every information of the DOS. Okay. Next what we have. Now suppose I want to clear the screen. We have a command called CLS. CLS stands for clear screen. Okay. Now here what I will do. In this, suppose if I want to create a new directory. Actually, what is the meaning of directory? Directory is the listing of files. Directory is the listing of files. Or you can say either you can call it as directory, I can call it as folders. Okay. And what is file? File is the set of information. File is the set of information by a name. Now if you want to create a new directory, you have a command called MD. MD stands for make directory. Give some name. Let's say micropark. Enter. Okay. MD stands for make directory. Again you say CD. CD means change directory. Again same thing you give micropark. Okay. Enter. MDCD is a command for creating a new directory. Okay. Now the directory by name micropark is created. Okay. Like that, how many directories you want, you can keep on creating. Now if you want to create a new file in the directory, you have a command called copycon. Copy. Okay. You give the file name as file1. Okay. Copycon is a command for creating a new file. Okay. Then what you do? Now whatever information you want, you can type. Okay. Now in this, if you want to come out from the file, you have a function key called F6. Okay, F6. Then you press enter. Okay, you have a function key called F6. Okay, like that, how many files you want, you can keep on creating. If you want to get one more, again you say copycon file name. Okay, suppose let's say file2. Again start typing. If you want to come out, press F6. Okay, like that. Now if you want to see what are the files available in the folder micropark directory, you give dir. Okay. See, dir is for listing what are the files available in the directory, or you can say folder. Okay. How many files are there? File 1 and file 2. It will show the date, which date is modified, time. Okay. These things it will show. And what is the size? Okay. Now suppose I want to see what are the contents available in the file. You say type. What is the file name? File 1. Okay. Okay. You give type, and what is the name? File 1. Now if you want to check the contents of the file, you have a command called type. Now see, it's showing what are the contents available. Suppose if you want to see what are the contents available, type in the file 2, say type file 2. File. Like that you can keep on checking the contents of each and every file. Okay. Next what you have, suppose I want to rename the file. If you want to rename the file, you have a command called REN. Okay. REN. Suppose I want to rename from file 1 to some other file. Suppose I'll say it as XYZ. File name is XY. Okay, now it's rename. Okay, rename means I can rename the file from old file to new file. Again, if you want to check what is say dir. Okay, now see, file 1 is renamed to XYZ. Again, if you want to check the content, type XY. Okay. Now suppose if you want to make a number of copies of the same file by different names, for that you have a command called copy. Okay. Copy is for creating duplicate copy of the files by different names. Suppose I want to copy XYZ to one more file name. Suppose I say XYZ1. Okay, like that. suppose again I want to copy, I want to copy this file to existing file by some other file. Suppose I'll say ABC, I say ABC. Now it's copied. Now the file is copied from XYZ to XYZ and again file 2 to ABC. But the information will be available in both the files, okay? But file names will be different. Now if you want to check what you do, you say type, okay? Type, I'll say XYZ. See, it is there. Again if I say type XYZ1, it is there. Again if I say type ABC, it's like that. You keep on processing. If you want to see the listing of files, what is the command? dir, no? dir, okay? Like that. Now, today I understood how to create a new directory, how to create a new file, how to rename the file, how to copy the file, okay? What is the, how to know the version of the DOS, how to know the volume, these things, okay? And how to clear the screen, CLS is clear screen, okay? These things. Now suppose one more command is there. Suppose if you want to hide the file, you want a command called attrib. Then you say +h. Now which file you want to hide? Suppose I want to hide file 2. Now is it done? If you want to check, again you say dir. Okay. Now see that file 2 is not there. Okay, because it is hidden. Now again if you want to get back, you can use up arrow keys. No need of typing again and again. Then you say -h. See, -h is for unhiding the files. Unhiding the files. Okay. Now again if you want to check, you say dir. Now see, now it is like this, you can check. Okay, like that. Whatever you want, you can keep on checking. Okay. Okay, I told how to create a new directory, then how to this one, and one more here, one command called move. Okay. Now suppose I want to move the information from a old file to new file. Suppose I say move. Suppose I want to move the file from file 2. I want to move the information from file 2 to I'll say file 4. Okay. Now the file is moved. In the move, what will happen? Content information will not be there in the old file, but it will be moved to the new file. But in copy, information will be available in both the files. Now if you want to cross check, what you say type. What is the file name? File 2. Okay. See, it's not there because information is moved to the new file. Again if I say type file 4. See, now information has moved to the new file, from old file to new file. So that is the use of this move command. Okay. So that is the use of this move command. Okay. Now if you want to create one more directory, again you say md. Like that, how many directories you want, you can keep on creating. Suppose I'll say fruits. Okay. Again I'll say cd. I'll say fruits. Okay. Like that. Now if you want to create a new file, what you say? You say copy icon. Then what you do? You create one command called, suppose I'll say again let's say file. I'll say file 1. Okay. Now I'll say fruit names. I'll say banana. I'll say pineapple, mango, like that. Okay. If you want to come out, you press F6. Okay. Enter. Okay. Like that. If you want, you can keep on creating the directory. If you want to create one more directory, again you say md. You say vegetables. Okay. Again you say cd. You say vegetables. Okay. If you want to type some information inside the directory, say copy icon. Let's say again file 1. Okay. Again I type some vegetables. I say brinjal. I say potato. Then I say tomato. Right. If you want to come out, you press F6. Okay. Press F6. Okay. Like. Now if I want to come out from the file, you want a command called cd data. That's called change directory. Change directory. cd data. Okay. cd data. But directory will be there in the memory, but it will not be in the command prompt. This is called command prompt. cd data. Okay. cd. Okay. Like that. Again, if you want to go back to the directory, what is my starting directory? Again, it says cd. That is starting directory. What is the starting directory name? Okay. That is my PC is there, no? Say my PC. My PC. Again, if you want to go to micropath, again it says cd. Then you say micropath. Okay. Like. If you want to see, say dir. See like that. You can keep on checking. Okay. Now next what you have, and now will come out. Now suppose now what is my whichever directory that you create first, that is called root directory. That my root directory is what? Micropath. Now whichever